Hey everyone, let's see how you can solve enable or disable notifications on itel S24. Before starting this video, please subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.